Pro Tools Crash Dummy course. What's going on, y'all? This is Raeshad from RaeshadBeats.com. Welcome back to another Pro Tools Crash Dummy course. And today we're going to be working on this session right here. And the main thing we're going to focus on is making sure our waveforms are cohesive. We're going to get these waves to be on the same type of decibel range. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Right now I have this song right here. This is a song that I did not too long ago, but I just thought it'd be good just to practice for this video. So I have a verse. Right here, and as you can tell already just by looking at it, I have the first couple parts of the verse looking decent. You know, this one looks about the same, but this one looks the same. But then my new ones, these don't look the same. So you can tell that this one is lower. These are lower than these ones. So the main thing we're going to focus on is how to make sure our waveforms are at the same level. So let's go ahead and listen to what we have.
Don't be texting me about nothing. If it's nothing, I'm endorsing. Had to separate to build myself and focus on my fortune. So unfortunate, I lost my mind, but now it's on courses. They wonder why I've been so distant. I'm just trying to win. I've been feeling down lately. No, I can't pretend, but it's no excuse. I count my blessings every day. If you get inside my mind, then I'm bound to push you away.
So right here, as you can see, as the verse continues, this part of the verse is very low compared to these two. So what we're going to do to make sure we level everything, we're going to go to the actual waveform and we're going to go to our fader right here and turn it up a couple notches. So just because I recorded this at a certain range, I'm going to bring it up just about 9 just so it can match this. If it matches this, then we should be good. So let's hear it.
Excuse, I count my blessings every day. If you get inside my mind, then I'm bound to push you away. And yeah, I made mistakes.
So that sounds way better. That sounds way better just because we leveled it. So let's level the rest of these out around the same level. So I'll do plus 9.5 decibels. Just to keep everything in the same level. Because when you're doing verses and you have incohesive, when you have, I would say, vocal audio, or when you have audio that's like some is louder than the other, you want to level them by going to the actual waveform and turning them up or turning them down according. By turning them up, you want to go to the waveform by turning them up or turning them down according to the track. So let's play the verse from the start.
Don't be calling on my phone unless you got something important. Don't be texting me about nothing. If it's nothing, I'm endorsing. Had to separate to build myself and focus on my fortune. So unfortunate, I lost my mind, but now it's on courses. They wonder why I've been so distant. I'm just trying to win. I've been feeling down lately. No, I can't pretend, but it's no excuse. I count my blessings every day. If you get inside my mind, then I'm bound to push you away. And yeah, I made mistakes. I don't know my place, but I gotta run this race. I cannot escape. I can't let nobody stop me, cause I know I'm great. And I know that somebody plotting, watching, so I say, that's why I don't trust a soul.
Okay, so that's cool. Everything sounds pretty leveled.
But it's no excuse. I count my blessings every day. If you get inside my mind, then I'm bound to push you away.
The main thing you're looking for when you're leveling your audio, you want to make sure there's no bumps. And what I mean by bumps is, say like if this audio was like this loud, so like plus 1.7, and you could tell by the waveform that it looks crazy loud.
So unfortunate, I lost my mind, but now it's on courses. They wonder why I've been so distant. I'm just trying to win.
So if you make a vocal that loud and it dips to another low vocal over here, then it's going to be incohesive. Then it's not going to be leveled right because you have one audio that's louder than the other. So what we're doing is we're bringing that level back down to where we had it, and we're just evening everything out. You just want to even out your waveforms, and that is like one of the proper ways to actually level out any part of your session. So be sure whenever you're doing that, listen to your verse, or whenever you're doing this, make sure you listen intuitively and listen for specific I'll call them value I call them volume dips, but we're gonna call them bumps. So bumps equal volume dips. So whenever you see the volume sounds different, or whenever you see the volume sound more different than the other, then just know that you need to do some leveling like we did over here to make sure everything matches. That's all I have to say for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in to another PTCDC Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course video. Be on the lookout for more videos as we continue to break Pro Tools down bit by bit, piece by piece. Raeshad Beats out. Peace.